Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Sir English Language. My name is Alex.
And I'm Maya. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we have something very special for you. We are going to talk about restaurants.
Yes, have you ever felt nervous in a restaurant? Maybe you wanted to order food in English, but you didn't know what to say?
That's okay. Many people feel this way. Even I felt nervous when I first learned English.
Me too. But here is the good news. Ordering food in English is actually very easy. You just need to know a few simple phrases.
That's right. And today, we will teach you everything, step by step, slowly, clearly.
By the end of this lesson, you will feel confident. You will know exactly what to say when you walk into a restaurant.
So, are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, first, let's talk about the problem. Why do people feel nervous at restaurants?
Well, there are many reasons. Maybe you don't know the right words. Maybe you are afraid to make a mistake.
Or maybe you think people will not understand you.
Yes, exactly. But listen carefully. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new.
That's true. And most people in restaurants are very kind. They want to help you.
So don't worry. Today, we will give you all the words and phrases you need, and we will practice together.
Yes, we will practice speaking. So when you hear us ask you to repeat, please say the words out loud. This is very important.
Speaking practice helps your brain remember. So let's do this together, okay?
Okay, let's start with step 1.
Step 1 is very simple. You arrive at the restaurant. You open the door. What do you do?
First, smile. A smile is the same in every language. It shows you are friendly.
Yes, and then you say hello or hi. That's it. Very simple.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello.
Good. Now try hi.
Excellent. See, you are already doing great.
Now, the next thing you need to do is ask for a table. This is very important.
If you are alone, you say, "A table for one, please."
If you are with one other person, you say, a table for two, please.
And if you are with two other people, you say, "A table for three, please."
Do you see the pattern? You just change the number.
Let's practice. Imagine you are with one friend. Repeat after me. "A table for two, please."
Perfect. Now imagine you are alone. Say, a table for one, please.
Wonderful. You are doing so well.
Now, after you ask for a table, the waiter will say something like, this way, please, or follow me, please.
This means, "Come with me. I will show you your table."
So you just follow the waiter, you can smile and say thank you.
Let's practice that too. Say, "Thank you."
Great! Now you know how to arrive at a restaurant and ask for a table. Easy, right?
Okay, step 2. You are sitting at your table now. What do you need?
You need the menu. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks. To ask for the menu, you say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Remember, the word please is very important. It makes you sound polite and friendly.
Let's practice. Say, "Can I have the menu, please?" Excellent. Now try the short version. The menu, please.
Now, let's talk about the menu. What is on a menu?
A menu usually has 4 parts. First, there are starters.
Starters are small dishes you eat first. For example, soup, salad, or bread.
Next, there are main courses. This is the big food, the principal dish.
For example, chicken, fish, pasta, pizza, or a hamburger.
Then there are desserts. Desserts are sweet food you eat at the end.
Like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
And finally, there are drinks. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea.
So, 4 parts: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Let's practice these words. Repeat after me. Starters.
Wonderful! You are ordering like a professional.
Remember, always add please at the end. This is the key to being polite.
Okay, step 4. You have your food now. You are eating. Everything is delicious.
While you are eating, the waiter might come to your table and ask, "Is everything okay?"
This is a very common question. The waiter wants to know if you are happy with your food.
If everything is good, you say, "Yes, it's delicious," or "Yes, everything is great, thank you."
The word delicious means the food tastes very, very good.
Let's practice. Say, "Yes, it's delicious."
Perfect. Now say, yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, sometimes during the meal, you might need something extra.
For example, maybe you want more water, or more bread, or another drink.
First, you need to get the waiter's attention. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me is a polite way to get someone's attention.
Then you ask for what you need. You say, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Or, "Can I have another soda, please?"
Notice the pattern. Can I have some more? Or, can I have another?
Let's practice. Say, "Excuse me."
Good. Now say, can I have some more water, please?
Perfect. Now try, "Can I have another coffee, please?"
Wonderful. You are doing so well. These phrases are very useful.
Yes. And remember, always be polite. Always say please and thank you.
Okay, step 5. This is the final step. You have finished eating. You are full and happy.
Now, the waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
If you want dessert, you say, yes, please.
Then you can order dessert the same way you ordered your main course. For example, "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
But if you don't want dessert, you can say, no thank you, just the bill, please.
Ah, yes, the bill. This is very important.
The bill is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay. In American English, people sometimes call it the check, but bill and check mean the same thing.
To ask for the bill, you say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Or, excuse me, can I have the check, please?
Both are correct. Both are polite.
Let's practice. Say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Great. Now, when the waiter brings the bill, you need to pay.
If you want to pay with a credit card, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
This is a good question to ask if you are not sure.
When you give your money or card to the waiter, you say, "Here you are."
This is a polite way to give something to someone.
Let's practice. Say, "Do you take credit cards?"
Good. Now say, here you are.
Perfect. And finally, when you are ready to leave, you smile and say, thank you. Goodbye.
Let's practice that. Say, thank you, goodbye.
Excellent. You did it. You know all the steps now.
Now, let's talk about why these phrases work so well.
First, they are simple. You don't need to use complicated grammar or big words.
That's right. Simple phrases are easy to remember and easy to say.
Second, these phrases are polite. Words like please, thank you, and excuse me show respect.
When you are polite, people are happy to help you. They will be patient if you make a mistake.
Third, these phrases are very common. People use them every day in restaurants all over the world.
So, when you use these phrases, you sound natural. You sound like a confident English speaker.
And finally, these phrases give you control. You know exactly what to say in every situation.
You don't need to worry or feel nervous. You have a plan.
That's why we love teaching these practical phrases. They really work.
Let's do a complete example together. Imagine you're going to a restaurant for lunch.
You walk in, you smile and say, hello, a table for one, please.
The waiter says, "This way, please." You follow and sit down.
You say, can I have the menu, please?
You look at the menu. The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
You say, yes, I am. I would like the chicken soup to start, please, and I'll have the fish, please, and water, please.
The waiter brings your food. Later, the waiter asks, "Is everything okay?"
You say, yes, it's delicious, thank you.
You finish eating. You say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
The waiter brings the bill. You ask, do you take credit cards?
The waiter says yes. You give your card and say, "Here you are."
You pay, then you smile and say, thank you. Goodbye.
Perfect. That's a complete restaurant experience in English.
And you can do this. You really can.
Before we finish, we want to give you some final tips.
Tip number 1, practice at home. You can practice with a friend or family member.
One person can be the waiter and one person can be the customer. This is called role play.
Role play is a great way to practice because it feels real.
Tip number 2, start simple. When you go to a restaurant, order something easy at first.
For example, order a cheese pizza or fish and chips. Don't order something with a very long, difficult name.
As you get more confident, you can try more complicated dishes.
Tip number 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
If the waiter doesn't understand you, they will ask you to repeat. That's okay.
Just speak slowly and clearly. Most people are very kind and will help you.
Tip number 4, use your hands. If you can't remember a word, you can point to the menu.
Communication is not just words. Body language helps too.
And tip number 5, be proud of yourself. Every time you speak English, you are learning and growing.
Yes, even if it feels difficult, you're doing something amazing.
Okay, my friend, we are almost finished. Let's do a quick review.
Step 1, arrive at the restaurant. Say hello and ask for a table.
Step 2, get the menu. Say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Step 3, order your food. Use I would like or I'll have.
Step 4, during the meal, say, "It's delicious," and ask for more if you need it.
Step 5, finish the meal. Ask for the bill and pay. Say thank you, goodbye.
That's it. 5 simple steps.
Now we want you to practice. The next time you have a chance, try using these phrases.
Maybe you can go to a restaurant this week,
Or maybe you can practice at home with a friend.
The important thing is to practice. Practice makes you confident.
And remember, you are not alone. We are here to help you. Millions of people are learning English just like you.
So don't give up. Keep practicing. Keep learning. You can do this.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope this lesson was helpful.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with your friends. Learning together is more fun.
And we would love to hear from you. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Pizza, pasta, a hamburger?
Leave a comment and tell us. We read every comment.
Okay, my friend. Until next time, keep practicing your English.
And remember, you are doing great. We believe in you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.